Okay, so today we're going to be talking about all about percent. So what is a percent? A percent is a part to whole ratio where the whole is 100. So this means that we can write a percent as a fraction since we know that the whole part is going to be out of 100. So for instance, it says 60%. How do we write that as a fraction? So since we know the whole is going to be 100, we're going to put 100 as our denominator. This is going to be our whole. And then our part is this 60. This is our part. So this is how we write percents as a fraction. Whatever the percentage is, that is our part, and it will always be out of the whole, which is 100. So let's put this to the test on these three practice ones. So it says write 35% as a fraction in simplest form. So we already know our whole is 100. I'm going to put that as our denominator. And our part is at 35. 35. So if you can tell, this is not in simplest form. So we need to simplify, which we can do by dividing by 5 because 5 goes into both 35 and 100. 35 divided by 5 is 7, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. So that is our answer. So 7/20 is equal to 35%. So that our 7/20, that is our fraction in simplest form. All right, B, write 100% as a fraction. So again, our whole is 100%, is 100. And our part is what is in this percentage, which is just 100. And this one should kind of be an easy one for you guys. What is 100 divided by 100? Well, that's just 1. So our answer is 1. So whenever you guys are turning in percent into fraction form, all you have to do is put the part over the whole of 100. So whatever you do, the first thing you need to do is figure out, put that whole 100 on the bottom, and then whatever that percent is, you're going to put that as your numerator. So in this case, we have 175 over our whole of 100. We want to turn this into simplest form again. So the first thing we're going to do is divide. So we can divide both by 5. You can divide both sides are divisible by 5. So 175 divided by 5 is 35. And then 100 divided by 5, we said before, was 20. And if you guys notice here, we can again, these are both divisible by 5 again. So I'm going to go ahead and divide again by 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7. And then 20 divided by 5 is 4. And if you guys recognize, this is what we call an improper fraction, so we can turn this into a mixed number. So to do that, we need to see how many times does 4 go into 7. Well, 4 goes into 7 one time with 3 left over, and my denominator stays the same. So for this one, our 175% is equal to 1 3/4. So again, whenever you guys are working, when you guys go to these 4 on your own problems, the first thing I want you guys to do is write these percents as the part to whole. So for instance, in number 1, you're going to put the part is 5 over your whole is 100, and then you're going to see, what can I simplify by? So you guys, if something is not making sense, please re-watch this video on these practice problems that we